Let me show you how to access the IELTS speaking course. After you sign in, go to the top, click on the Courses tab. Then scroll to the bottom and select your IELTS Booster course. After it is prepared, click the Let's Go button and choose your first lesson. Listen to the instructions. Click on the first question.
What are your favorite sweet foods?
Click to see the examples and tap once to start your response. My favorite sweets are chocolate cake, French cream pastries, and old-fashioned donuts. Now watch this. Within a few seconds, your voice is converted into text and you'll get an IELTS speaking score. Click on the score to see a breakdown. You can tap to retry as many times as you like. Practice with flow as much as you like and get your best score. Go for it.